Have you ever heard the powerful drumming of the forest? It might just be this magnificent bird. Recently discovered in Texas, this is the spectacular pileated woodpecker. Scientifically known as Dryocopus pileatus, it is one of the largest woodpeckers in North America. Its appearance is striking, with a deep black body and bold white facial stripes. And of course, it is known for that iconic, brilliant red crest. Notice its specialized posture, perfectly adapted for clinging to tree trunks. But its looks are only part of the story. Its behavior is just as impressive. With powerful strikes, it excavates the wood, searching for a meal. The bird uses its strong beak to chip away at bark and decaying wood. Its primary diet consists of ants and other insects hidden deep inside. Each peck is a precise effort to uncover the food source within the tree. It moves with surprising agility, exploring different sections of the branch. This constant drumming echoes through the forest, a sign of its presence. This foraging process isn't just for the bird, it actually helps the forest. By controlling insect populations, it maintains the health and balance of its ecosystem. These birds also create cavities that other wildlife can use for shelter. Observing a pileated woodpecker in its natural habitat is a true privilege. It is a beautiful reminder of the intricate wonders waiting to be discovered all around us.